If you are wondering if you can experience overheating issues on the Xiaomi 15T, then the answer seems to be kind of yes. Although I didn't really experience any negative sides of heating of Xiaomi 15T, which can be of course experienced when you perform heavy tasks on the phone, such as gaming for a lot of time or watching videos for a lot of time, or perhaps even doing like a benchmark or something. Of course, these things usually warm up the phone, and after some time it gets hotter, but it is not unbearable, just like in the case of some other smartphones. In this case, it is definitely still bearable. I didn't see any performance drops, at least in my case. So while the phone, of course, will get hotter if you run these demanding tasks on the phone, I wouldn't specifically say that it is overheating. It has higher temperature, definitely noticeable higher temperature, but I wouldn't classify it as overheating personally. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.